Who knows that the readiness to sacrifice oneself for the fulfillment of duty is the basis of the maintenance of life? A person should do those things that, although they require hard physical labor, but calm his mind. In teaching, there is no more convenient way than personal meetings with the teacher. Man is by nature evil, his goodness is generated by practical activity. If you act too harshly, you will fail. If you act too softly, you yourself will be in chains. Relying on the laws and also understanding their provisions is the only way to achieve agreement. When a person has a lot of free time, he will achieve little. With those who like to argue, do not enter into an argument. The actions of a person performed on reflection are called deeds. Prolonged reflection and often repeated actions create a habit, after which it becomes a permanent rule. A thoroughbred horse cannot cover a distance of 1,000 li in one leap. On a horse, you can cover this distance in 10 days, if you do not stop halfway.